everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about some of the top footballers playing in the world in 2024. We are going to have an expert analysis, we are going to do some insights and figure out why these footballers are the best in the world. In the ever evolving world of football, a select few players rise above the rest. They showcase extraordinary skill, consistency and impact on the pitch. In this video too, we are going to dive deep into the top 5 footballers in the world right now. We will analyze their strengths, their recent performances and how they influence their teams. From unstoppable goal-scoring machines to creative masterminds and electrifying wingers, these players are redefining the game. Whether you are a fan of Erling Haaland's ruthless finishing or Vinicius Junior's dazzling dribbles, this list highlights the cream of the crop in global football today. Get ready for an in-depth stats, expert insights into why these stars shine the brightest. Who is your pick for the best player in the world? Watch now and join the debate in the comments. Number 5 on our list, Jude Bellingham, the Real Madrid midfielder. He has been taken into consideration for top 5 in this list because he has taken the footballing world by storm. Last year he was one of the best players in world football and was also leading the race for Ballon d'Or at some point of time. He also had a good Euro campaign for England. His ability to dominate midfield with a mix of physicality, intelligence and flair has made him a standout player in La Liga and the Champions League. His strengths include box-to-box excellence. He combines defensive solidity with attacking creativity. He is very composed under pressure. He displays maturity beyond his years in crucial situations. He is also a goal-scoring midfielder and consistently finds the back of the net, which is a very rare quality and an important one in modern days football. He has seamlessly filled the void left by Luka Modric and Toni Kroos. He has led Real Madrid's midfield revolution. His performances have already drawn comparison to legends of the game. He has had some trouble handling the physical and mental demands of being a young star at an elite club, and he is continuing to grow amidst high expectations from all over the world. But Jude Bellingham definitely has the potential and he makes number 5 on our list. Number 4, the Manchester City midfielder, one of the greatest playmakers of this generation, Kevin De Bruyne. He is an exceptional midfielder. He remains the heartbeat of Manchester City's midfield. He has been orchestrating play with his unparalleled passing and vision. His consistency in delivering key assists and goals has kept City at the top of European football. His strengths lie in precision in long passes, through balls, set pieces. He is adaptable everywhere. His versatility can also help him adapt to various midfield roles from deep lying to advanced playmaker. Some of his crosses are just unparalleled and impact the way that no other midfielder is capable of doing. His work ethic, his tireless running, everything is just great for a midfielder. His pressing make him a two-way midfielder. City's success under Pep Guardiola owes much to De Bruyne's ability to link defense and attack seamlessly. His chemistry with Haaland has proven devastating for opponents. One of the challenges that he has faced over his career is managing persistent injuries, and that has to an extent limited his appearances. And he is also adapting his game as per his age, because he is not really one of the youngest players right now in the world, but still he continues to be impactful and one of the best players in world football. Number 3 on our list, Kylian Mbappe, the Real Madrid striker. Kylian Mbappe is often thought as the next man to take the metal forward in world football from Messi and from Ronaldo. He has had an exceptional start to his career, winning the World Cup at a very young age with France. He has also shown brilliantly with Paris Saint-Germain and was one of their top scorers throughout his years with them. He has been a bit of a sluggish form since his coming to Real Madrid, but his mix of pace, his technical ability and composure will always make him one of the most lethal player in world football. He had a terrific World Cup 2022 where he won the Golden Boot and showed consistent brilliance throughout the tournament for France. The kind of skills that he possesses will always be a nightmare for defenders. His speed, his acceleration on the counter-attack is just unparalleled. He has a great goal scoring prowess, he is dangerous in the box and capable of stunning strikes from range. He has a big game temperament and he has shown that he can rise to the occasion when it demands. One of the challenges that he has faced in his career is consistent success in the Champions League. He is yet to win the Champions League and he will look to win that in his first season with Real Madrid. Kylian Mbappe, number 3 on our list. Number 2 on our list, Erling Haaland from Manchester City. Haaland has redefined the way strikers going to play in modern day football. He scores goals for fun. He continues to redefine what it means to be a modern striker. After a record-breaking Premier League and UEFA Champions League season, he established himself as the most lethal forward in the game. His strength, pace and finishing makes him unstoppable. He is very physically dominant, combines height and power to overpower defenders. His precise one-on-ones and a clinical poacher approach makes him a terrific striker. He is also very consistent and maintains peak performance in both domestic and European competitions. Manchester City's attack revolves around Haaland's goal scoring prowess. His presence demands defensive focus, freeing up teammates like Kevin De Bruyne and Bernardo Silva to operate more effectively. One of the challenges that he has to overcome is overcoming tactical setups specifically designed to neutralize him. He also needs to manage fitness across a grueling calendar. Erling Haaland definitely deserves to be number 2 on our list. Now, number 1 on our list and perhaps the top footballer in the world in 2024. Vinicius Junior from Real Madrid. The winger, the Brazilian midfielder, he has risen to become one of the most exciting players in the world. His ability to turn games on their head with pace, dribbling and flair has made him the spearhead of Real Madrid's attack. He was one of the leading contenders for Ballon d'Or this year throughout the entire year but lost very closely to Rodri at the end. His evolution from a raw talent to consistent performance is remarkable. He keeps on scoring goals and goals for Real Madrid and is a terrific winger with raw pace and everything that you desire from a winger. His exceptional close control and ability to beat defenders one-on-one is just remarkable, and he is so explosive, unmatched pace combined with smart positioning. He also frequently delivers in big matches including El Clasicos and Champions League knockouts. So Vinicius Junior definitely makes the list as the number 1 footballer in the world right now in 2024. With the departure of Karim Benzema, Vinicius has taken on greater responsibility in leading Real Madrid's attack. His partnership with Jude Bellingham has elevated Madrid's offensive capabilities and has made him indispensable for the team. He is also going to link up beautifully with Kylian Mbappe and they are going to form one of the greatest team that you can assemble in the modern day football. One of the challenges that he has faced is increasingly tight marking and tactical fouling, but he has maintained composure and needs to manage scrutiny and high expectations. Vinicius Junior for you, the number 1 footballer in the world in 2024. So that completes our list and it was great talking to you guys and I hope that you liked the video. Do share who you think should make the list and your top footballer in the world in 2024. That's the end of today's video. If you like the video, please do go and like, share and subscribe.